Hello everyone, welcome to Heather's Home Kitchen. I'm registered dietitian Heather Klug with the Karen Yance Women's Cardiac Awareness Center. With Mother's Day coming up, I thought it would be kind of fun to put together 3 easy ideas that kids can make for their moms for Mother's Day. So today I have here helping my daughter Bethany.
Hello.
All right, so the first thing we're going to show you how to make is called fruit and yogurt parfait, and this is on the KarenYanceCenter.org website. We'll also put it on the Karen Yance Center Pinterest page. So the first thing you're going to do with this recipe, and Bethany's going to demonstrate. So go ahead, Bethany. She's going to scoop some yogurt first into a pretty looking dish, maybe a little bit more in there, okay? And then next you're going to put in fruit. Now we have berries here and that's what's in the recipe, but really you can use whatever mom likes. So if her favorite fruit is pineapple or mango or peaches, you put in what mom likes. So go ahead and put a scoop. That's good, Bethany. And then set that down. Go ahead and put in some more yogurt. Okay, and the thing with this recipe is that it's really, I feel like the variety are endless with this. You can use plain yogurt if you want, drizzle some honey on there with fruit. You can use different flavored yogurts. Bethany, go ahead and put a little more fruit on there. And then she's gonna top it off with some granola on top. That looks great, so put a little more granola on there. If you don't have any granola at home, you could also just sprinkle some chopped nuts on there, or if you have some shredded coconut, or some toasted seeds, you can use something along those lines as well, or make your own homemade granola. All right, so this is what it, yep, there we go. So this is what it looks like, the fruit and yogurt parfaits. All right, so real easy with that. Now maybe mom likes things a little more savory. So our next thing is called avocado toast. So all you do is just toast some bread. So go ahead, Bethany, and pick that up. Okay, and then we mashed up some avocado here. The kids like mashing that up. It's kind of squishy, so go ahead and start putting that on there. And with this, you just mash up the avocado. I usually drizzle in just a tiny little bit of rice vinegar, but you don't have to put that in there. And then add a little salt. You could jazz it up a little bit, add a little chili powder, a little cumin in there if you want, whatever mom kind of likes. Maybe spread a little bit more over here, Bethany. And then we're going to top this off with a few things. So we'll let Bethany continue spreading. While she's doing that, I'm just going to quickly show everybody how to slice an avocado safely so that nobody's ending up in the emergency room with avocado hand, okay? We don't want that on Mother's Day. Easiest way to do that is to put this on a cutting board, kind of hold the avocado with your left hand, and with a sharp knife, you're going to go around it. Just around kind of the middle, all the way around, just turning it as you go. You don't want to do it in your hand because that's when people accidentally end up cutting their hand, and then you just twist the avocado and there you go. And then if it's nice and ripe, that pit is going to slide out real nicely. Okay, so Bethany's got the avocado spread on there, and then here's where you can put different toppings on it if that's what mom likes. So I like tomato slices on mine, so Bethany, go ahead and put some of those on there. You could also put a slice of cheese on there or shredded cheese. I've also seen it where people have put a fried egg on there or a poached egg and let the yolk kind of drizzle over that. All right. So there is some delicious and pretty looking avocado toast, okay? So real easy for kids to do. Last one here is just mini waffles with some different toppings, and you can get really creative here with this too. So, excuse me, we toasted some waffles. These are mini ones. They're cute little mini ones, but you can use regular size one if you'd like. So all different kinds of waffles out there too. So Bethany, go ahead. We're going to put some toppings on here after we've toasted it. She's going to put some peanut butter on there. You could use almond butter, cashew butter, maybe a little bit of Nutella. It's a nice little treat for Mother's Day. So just spread a little bit of peanut butter on there. That looks good, Bethany. Okay, and then here's where you can put different toppings on it. So we have some that have a little bit of banana slices on there with some walnuts. Go ahead and put the strawberry on there. We've got a couple with strawberries on them. And then you're going to put some chopped nuts on top. Again, here you could put coconut on there, or some chocolate chips if you want, something like that. And then if you really want, you could sprinkle some chocolate syrup on there too, right? I bet you'd even eat this, wouldn't you, Bethany? So go ahead and drizzle some chocolate syrup on there. Not too much. Ooh, it comes out kind of quickly. Of course, Mom might like that if she likes chocolate. So there we go. So we got some mini waffles with some fun kind of toppings on there. Well, all right, so I hope you like these ideas that we showed you today. Again, you can find these things on the KarenYantCenter.org website or on our Pinterest page for the Karen Yant Center. Thanks for watching, everyone, today. And to all the moms out there, the Karen Yant Center wishes everyone, all the moms, a wonderful Mother's Day. Thank you. Bye.